What's up, guys? It's your girl Ashley, aka Pretty Hippie, and I'm back with another video. I know I say this in every video, but it's been a minute. I'm gonna do better. Don't be too hard on me. Y'all know I got 3 children. I got a lot going on, and yeah, so like, I'm glad to be back. A lot of you guys are like, where are the vlogs? Where are the vlogs? Like, record some vlogs. So here we are, recording a vlog. We have a few things planned today. We are going to go eat, which is one of our favorite things to do. And then we're going to go look at a cat. Not just any cat.
A Russian blue.
But a Russian blue cat. Y'all have been stalking these cats for I don't know how long, like watching breeders. I couldn't find one where I live, so we finally found some Russian blue kittens, and the way that we ran into them is like crazy because we were on the opposite side of town and we were on the way to PetSmart on our side of town, which never has any kittens, but it was a PetSmart right there, and I was like, why don't we just stop at this one since it was like already late or whatever, and it was a Russian blue kitten. So I'm like contacting people like, okay, how do I get this cat? How do I get this cat? And they're like, well, this cat is already adopted. And I'm like, oh my God, like they go so fast. But she was like, I have 2 more that you can come visit. Like you have to schedule an appointment. So that's what we are doing today. I'm super excited, guys. So we might be leaving the pet store with a kitten.
For our appreciate your brother Eternity, I just want to let y'all know that I'm also in the car as well. You pick up the car and run that mouth. Let me tell you something. Yeah, we probably gonna get a cat. And I can't wait. That's all.
Now that he's introduced himself for the 15,000th time, yeah, so that's what we're doing, guys. We're just going to get something to eat, and then we're going to look at a kitten, or 2 kittens. I think she said there's 2, so we're gonna choose which one we want. And oh, excuse me, I'm burping right now. I'm super excited about it. The boys are excited. They're quiet right now, so we don't want to wholeheartedly disturb them, but they'll be running their mouth soon as we get to the food place. We're going to Mellow Mushroom to get pizza. I think I've actually vlogged us at Mellow Mushroom before because that's like one of our favorite spots. We actually wanted to get brunch at this one spot, but we weren't ready in time because I woke up and I did my workout. If you guys didn't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, OfficialPrettyHippie, I am posting my workout journey, and I've been working out consistently for about a good 4 months. Has it been 4 months? So probably about four good consecutive months, and my goal is to grow my quads and my glutes and also minimize this mommy pouch. So I've been working out, like I have a personal trainer and everything, guys. Like I'm dead serious. So I work out with my personal trainer. Lighting is funny right now because I'm in a weird spot. Hold on. Hopefully y'all can still see me, but you know how it is in the car. I work out with my personal trainer on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Then I go to the gym on Thursdays. So Monday, I'm kind of just doing my own thing. Like I'll just do my home workouts, and I just ordered the, what do you call that thing? Maxi climber. I just ordered a maxi climber, so I'm going to be working out on that on the days that I don't go to the gym, and on the days that I don't work out with my trainer, I'll be using my maxi climber. And I'm also going to add a few things and create like a little home gym, so I'll just be getting things here and there. So on the days that I don't get to go to the gym, which I can only go to the gym 1 day a week, but that's okay because all of the other stuff that I do, I think is, you know, and also I'm seeing progress, like tremendous progress. already in just 4 months. So we're gonna keep this thing going. We're gonna make sure we don't have no more babies, so I can really get the body that I want, okay? He can't keep his hands off me. Y'all better tell Tevin to keep his hands off of me, because we can't have no more babies, okay? Tell him now. I think they got something to say to you. But anyway, really?
Hands on you right now.
I mean, that's nasty.
Like crusty and everything.
Ew, you got crumbs on your hands.
Yes, ma'am. Crumbs and all.
How you get crumbs on the back of your hands eating chips?
Because I put it in the bag. What you mean? My hand's big. Or you not got them big old hands to grip you up.
You got the what?
Big old hands to grip you up.
I just told him. Y'all, he literally is like a fiend for this newfound booty, okay? But anyway, you are.
Anyways.
What?
I'm a fiend for you anyways. Oh, my bad. I ain't singing up. I'm a fiend for you anyways. That.
Y'all. Anyway, we're gonna ride. I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get back. Not back, but once we get to Mellow Mushroom. I'm hungry. Are you gonna have a drink?
I'm gonna have a drink.
So we're gonna have a drink, and oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all about what's actually been helping my workouts. Okay, so back to the workout. So I feel like I'm gonna be one of those people who just always talking about working out. I feel like I'm gonna be one of those people who's always like, work out. Cause like once you start working out, it's like.
And once you're passionate about something, you talk about it all the time, no matter what, no matter who you are, usually.
And I'm really passionate about working out right now. Like it's helping me in so many ways. Like it's just like when I get to the gym and I'm lifting those heavy weights, it's just like and I actually almost passed out yesterday. Do not recommend going to the gym and trying to do the like gradually find your heaviest weight. Don't just go in there and just throw stuff on the rack and say I got this, because the weight said no, bitch, I got you. And I was like, no. But I was able to like snap out of it, because listen, if the weights had actually fit, like, okay, I got lightheaded and I blacked out, right? So I couldn't feel my legs, and it's like my body wasn't there anymore. And I was like, but my brain was like, if you let this go, it's gonna be really bad for you. And I was like, I had to snap out of it. And I was like, man, I went down on the weights. That was my lesson. Actually, I finished that set. I did not quit like that. I actually finished the rep, like my reps or whatever, and then I went to a lower weight, because I wasn't finna go out like no pump. But anyway, I'm taking a lot of supplements, not bad supplements, okay? All of my supplements are vegan. They are plant-based basically, so they're pretty much natural. The supplements that I'm taking, my husband here, this guy, he makes me a tea every single morning before he goes to work, and it has maca in it, it has collagen, and it has spirulina. So the maca helps with building your muscle, tightening the skin, and just the overall like physique of a woman. Like maca root is known to grow the booty, okay, and it's known to give you that hourglass shape. So if you take maca root every day, it will like assist you in building the shape that you want.
Especially when you're already working out.
When you're already working out, yes, especially when you're already working out. So the collagen, as we know, tightens the skin. It helps with like aging, gives you that nice supple glow, and also it grows your hair. Now y'all know I just had a baby, so of course, just like with my second pregnancy, I had really bad, my edges came out really bad. But when I started taking the collagen supplement, like my hair literally started growing back not only there, but like under my arms. Like I'm just noticing my hair grows a lot faster now. And I'm like, okay, must be the collagen. So the collagen is helping like with my hair and whatnot. But the magic supplements are supplements I get from my trainer. And if you guys want more info on that, you'll have to email me. I'll leave my email down in the description box below. But when I tell you they are for bloating, and she was like basically like a lot of women can't see their results because like of excessive bloating. And I was like, okay, I'm working out, but like my stomach doesn't seem to be changing that much. Only like my skin seems to be tighter, but it's like my pudge is not going anywhere. And she was like, I have some supplements for you. We talked on the phone or whatever, and she explained that bloating will like slow down your results, yada yada yada, and your food isn't breaking down in your body. And here we are. These supplements are a freaking godsend. I have never in my life not felt bloated until I started taking like the supplements that she told me about. And yeah, if you want access to those, you're gonna have to email me. I'll put my email address down in the description box below. And also when you join the supplement program, you get free training. So yay me, I get to buy the supplements, right, and also keep my sessions going. So yeah, we working out, we getting it in. Look at his arms, flex them one time. Look at that. Look at that. He be doing his workouts now. I don't have that much muscle in my arm.
Don't work out. I'll be doing
in 2.3 miles,
push-ups
take
in the
exit
morning,
19
and that's
onto
it.
US 282.
I don't do like intense arm workouts, y'all, because I do not want my arms to be super bulky. No shade to anybody that has like the bulky arms. It's just not my thing. I like my arms to be more lean, but I want my legs and that butt to be big. You know what I'm saying? So to each his own. We all want our body chiseled how we want it to our liking. So that's just what we do. But anyway, I'm about to put this camera down and we're about to just relax and enjoy this time together. And I'll pick up the camera once we get to Mellow Mushroom.
What's up?
Hello.
Come on inside, see what's over.
So say hey.
Hey, do it. Lấy cho lên nè. Rồi bây giờ hai bên lòng này.
So we're in the restaurant now. We're in Mellow Mushroom. I don't know what I'm gonna get. So I'm not getting the gluten free. That won't be good.
I like it. I want to do a pineapple on it.
No, he's asking me for milk. Yes. Oh, sorry. So we're not gonna get milk in here. Look at that.
You know what you want?
I'll take a water.
You said a what?
A water for him.
A water,
Yes, and
sweet tea, water for him.
Yeah.
do you have any type of juice? What
We have lemonade.
He like sweet tea too.
Sweet tea, water.
And water for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, he still likes to breastfeed all the time, like a freaking newborn. And I think it's probably because of the newborn, obviously. But he's about to be 2 next month. So we're just like trying to wean him a little bit. I mean, not fully, but to the point where he doesn't have to have it every second. Because he literally wants it like every second. And he gets very upset when he can't get it. So. But I'm not trying to completely wean him. I'm just trying to get him to understand that he does not have to breastfeed around the clock, okay? Especially when we're out like this. You about to eat some pizza, okay? You want pizza?
That's
Okay.
a 10. Mama, I want to go camping. Mom, can we go camping?
Yeah, we'll go camping. I'm trying to set the camera up where I can see everybody.
But I can't, you can't see me. I already see over there.
I can see you. If you would do what I said and scoot over my daddy,
I mean, this is the closest I do.
I mean, I can see him. You're going to have to lean up to the camera. Actually, I'm in there a lot, so I can turn it this way. There we go. Now we can see everybody.
Now we're all in the picture.
Except for I think because he's like in the car seat.
And it's not about to happen.
Yeah, because he's quiet right now.
And let's enjoy it. Alright, so I already know I want my magical mystery mushroom. Are we getting medium?
I think I want that one too.
I think I'm gonna get a little bit more jalapenos than we usually add.
Do you add? Okay, I was gonna say, do you add?
I don't think I add nothing to it.
So what's the called again?
Magical mystery mushroom.
So we're getting the magical mystery mushroom.
Actually, it says magical mystery tour.
Oh, speaking of mushrooms, oh my god.
I know, right?
So we, one night after the children were asleep, went on a magical trip. And when I say it was quite the experience.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So you want pineapple, cheese pineapple?
Yeah. I want cheese on it.
Can I do pineapple on half and then the other half?
No, I need to get
I mean, you know, take it home or eat them.
Does he have to give you
can I go up too? Can I go up too?
That's a good question. I don't know.
So typically Osiris has to get gluten free, but I feel like he's kind of outgrowing it a little bit and he's able to eat like some gluten stuff. He doesn't break out as bad as he used to, so I'm trying to decide if he has to have gluten free or can he get like, or can I get them like a bigger pizza?
Oh, it's right here the whole time.
What, the drink menu?
Yeah.
Do you have children?
We're out of the
Okay, I will. Alright, thanks.
I love the blue cup. I love the blue cup.
Uh-oh.
I like blue cup.
Okay. Okay. I don't like them for y'all.
But
Because
I'm
y'all
ready
waste
to come.
drinks all the time.
With
Every
lids
time
on
you
it.
have a cup, you waste it.
Y'all wasted with a lid on it.
Are you choking? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, I can come in here, man.
Oh, that's it. Let's do it.
Also made wild.
Casamigos what?
Gone Carol.
What's in it?
Casamigos with Anejo. Casamigos with Anejo. That's $4.
$4?
I don't know what this means. Okay, alright, so it's liquid caramel cocktails.
Mommy, how else do people come?
You gotta order it first.
Mellow scratch made. Make sure it's still spirits made for a special kind of cocktail. No pre-made blends, no artificial additives, no preservatives. Just fresh ingredients that are sure to send your taste buds on a trip they won't soon forget. Sunset in Paradise is Bacardi Superior Rum, Coconut, Pineapple, Pomegranate, and Fresh Sour. And then Jam and Juice is Maker's Mark Bourbon, Aperol, Cherry, Cranberry, and Fresh Lime. The RB Margarita. I don't know what that means. It says made wild and they have a Gone Carol. And it's a Casamigos Blanco Tequila, Blanchant, orange, liqueur, and house-made agave sour. We're gonna take one of those.
The Casamigos?
Yeah, made wild and the Gone Carol.
One of each?
Yeah.
Okay, Casamigos.
I want the Gone Carol.
Okay, what
For
else?
some reason it's $4 instead of 2, or plus 2 instead of plus 4. Anyways.
Okay, so the pizza that I want to do the, what's it called, the trip?
Magical Mystery Tour.
Magical Mystery Tour.
What size?
medium. We're gonna make it vegan.
Yeah.
What's the difference between, so small is like the gluten-free kind?
Small is the same size as gluten-free.
Okay, I'll get medium. Y'all do extra jalapenos. And what else?
It has spinach. It has spinach and jalapenos. And oh, pineapples.
Did you add pineapple?
I think I added pineapples because they already have mushrooms. So I think I added pineapples.
And you said you wanted to be vegan?
Vegan cheese.
Yeah. And no butter.
And that's made out of pesto.
Yeah.
I love that. Alright, let's just set this.
2 of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, and for the boys, I want to do a medium cheese pizza, vegan. Pineapple on half, but I don't know if Osar's gonna like the pineapple. Can I do pineapple on half of it?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, I got you. I can grab those menus.
Okay.
So we had to get us some drinks. What's it called again?
It's called the Made Wild. The RB Margarita Made Wild. Yours is Made Wild. Mine is Gone Feral. With a little cat and an eye on it. So the one that's very much stronger should be this one.
With the cat in the eye on it?
Yeah, because there's a +4. Yours has a +2, so goodness gracious.
His is super strong, and I actually got his by mistake. And I was like, nah, this ain't gonna work. This is way too strong. I just need a little something light.
A very strong.
Just one drink, and that'll do.
And what does it have in there?
Casamigos and why are y'all fighting? Then you hit the baby. No, no, no. Look at you. These children are something else. Let me tell you.
What's wrong?
Having 3 children is serious business. I don't see how anyone does it like with children over, like with over 3, because 3 is a lot. It's like a lot of work. It's fun though. I just try to keep the house clean. Like I go on these cleaning tangents and cleaning spirals, and that's all I'm doing is cleaning. I think I kind of do that to cope with life. And I only clean one area like that, which is like the kitchen and the downstairs area. I was just, every day I'm like,
Bedroom, fuck that.
Listen, I'm working on the bedroom. I'm working on getting that together. I'm organizing my closet right now. I have a lot of stuff that I'm gonna throw away. And
I'm sorry, look at me.
I am organizing my closet.
What do you want to write? What do you want to play with your phone?
Sola said, you're not organizing your closet. I didn't see you organizing your closet.
We didn't see, I didn't see her do it.
If you're your own kid, he's gonna call you up. Listen, I have everything pulled out. It's on the floor right now. That's why the room is a mess. But I'm going to go in and fix it. You wanna get out? I think Auntie wants to get out.
Absolutely not. You're drawing. It looks beautiful.
I'm about to get you out.
Let this look beautiful.
Hold on, y'all. I'm getting the baby out.
It's like this.
Come on, little baby. Come on, little baby. All right. Oh my God, you're so happy. Oh, here he goes. Look at him. Auntie. Oh, you look like your daddy.
I think I would.
Yes, he does.
No, he
Yes, he does.
does.
He camera ready. He came out ready for the camera. Say hello.
Oh, Joseph. No, Joseph.
Say hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. My baby voice is so annoying.
Just watch the whole time.
Oh, you got it on camera. Yeah, he's such a happy, like, he just, all he do is laugh and grunt. That's it. He'll cry when he wants to be picked up or fed. Other than that, he is such a good baby. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he done stole the show. He said, this is my YouTube channel now. You gonna take mommy's channel? Say, yeah, mommy, you ain't doing nothing with it. I'm gonna do better.
How long is it take? How long is it take?
You ready to eat some pizza? Say, no, you can't eat pizza yet.
I say you ready to eat pizza? Eat it? Yeah. Ready?
All right, I'm gonna sit you down, okay? Look at how serious those
It's a dolphin.
This is balloons.
Oh, in the water?
It was literally balloons. What are you talking about? I'm looking up here.
Where?
At this TV.
That TV right there?
Yeah, I'm looking
Up
at.
that side?
No, I'm looking at this one right there.
No, both of them are shutting up. Both of them are saying the whole thing.
Same thing, yeah.
What? That
And I didn't see no jellyfish. And you said look at jellyfish. There were no jellyfish up there. Straight balloons.
Look down in the sky. Sky. No balloon in the sky.
Yes. Where was the jellyfish?
Huh?
I didn't see the jellyfish. What do you mean? Oh, you said there was a jellyfish. How are you, sir? What was the question?
I said spirit world.
What about it?
Are we in spirit world?
I mean, kind of. Where'd you hear
There's
from?
this dope show that he's been watching with the sun and the bears. And I just told him yesterday, I was like, it's such a dope show, like it's dope graphics and everything. I was looking at the graphics and when I realized what it was about, I was like, give me 1 second, okay. When I realized what it was about, I was like, dang, because it's a song called like, we're all connected. It's like a spiritual show. And they live in spirit world.
That's tough.
You gotta see it. But I was telling them yesterday, I was like, the graphics are dope. You watch it all the time.
That's what I thought. I looked up and I was like, damn, that looks cool. But I just kept walking and I was doing something.
Yeah, it looks cool. That's what you think. I was like, that's I want some graphics.
Okay, I know what you're doing. I'm gonna have to look at it too.
Yeah.
I thought he was talking about Avatar, so I wanted to dive into it.
Oh, right. That's
Spirit
right.
world.
Get it, get it, ooh, get it, ooh, get it,
Come on.
get it,
Mommy, look.
get it,
Mommy.
Wait.
Yes, sir. Oh, I love that. What is that?
It's a guy who's like a orange face.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Can I show our YouTube tribe? Let me see. Oh, you want to show them? Okay. Hold on. Hold it up. Let's see. What we got? Oh, that looks amazing. My little artiste. My little artiste.
Little what?
Artist.
What?
Artist.
You're an artist. You're an artist. You're an artist. You're an artist. Bam, 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 bam.
Artist. I'm
That's
an
right.
artist.
That's right.
I'm an artist. Oh, pizza. A pizza girl.
Ooh.
No.
Pizza.
Don't show the plants.
Don't show them?
No, don't show the plants.
Why not?
Don't show them.
It looks delicious.
Stop showing them.
No, I won't. It looks good. So So we ordered 2 of the mushroom pizzas and they are huge. So I just asked them to take one and put it in a to-go box because I highly doubt that we're gonna eat like all of this pizza. So we kind of just bought one for no reason. That's okay because we'll take it home and eat it later. Me and Daddy can have a late night snack.
I already got my late night snack that I'm prepared for.
Oh my god, he's a mess. Say cheese. Beep beep. Y'all there in this little caramel mushroom. Alright, y'all ready to go? We got an appointment to see a kitty cat.
Okay.
Alright, come on, Osiris. Come on. There we go. Step down. You got it, you got it, you got it. Uh-oh, don't fall, don't fall. Come on. Come this way. Come on. Alright.
Thought she was driving, everybody.
You know damn well I'm not driving.
Thought she was driving.
You know I'm not driving.
I'm gonna drive. I'm driving. Yeah, I'm gonna drive something.
You being nasty?
I can't help it.
So nasty.
Alright, I gotta say nothing else. But you wanna get something from the game. You crazy. You crazy. Shiny shit. Children out here somewhere. I don't want to squeeze, but I want to squeeze.
He's so nasty. Fixing my nickel.
It looks like a turtle too. That's dope.
I love it. We're late. We're late. He's so nasty.
You on my phone?
Huh?
You on my phone?
Yeah, it's in here. It's in the car. He nasty. So we are on the way now to look at the cats. We just got done eating. We actually had to rush a little bit because it took us forever to leave the house this morning. So we were actually supposed to go to brunch, but we left at like, what time do we even leave? Like 2:30?
I need the jippers.
And we're supposed to be meeting these people at 5 o'clock. It is now 4:47. We always manage to be late some kind of way.
Right on time.
Right on time. We always late. Now, I gotta show y'all what Tevin bought me. And I should have vlogged this day. He actually surprised me with the trip to K Jewelers to buy me a necklace. Well, actually a ring. He bought me a diamond ring. So this ring is a diamond ring with, it's white gold. And it has sapphire in it. And wearing sapphire on your middle finger activates your Saturn in your chart. So I told him that I have been feeling like very stagnant, like with business endeavors and just, you know, just feeling like, you know how sometimes like as a business owner you just go through these little slumps and you just feel like nothing is progressing, everything is kind of stagnant. So that's how I was feeling. So he surprised me with a trip to K Jewelers to buy me a genuine sapphire and diamond ring to wear on my middle finger, y'all. And when I say, I was like, oh my god. Definitely. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Hold on. There we go. There we go. So this is white gold. And it is just so pretty. Then he got me a diamond necklace, like just because diamond necklace. So I feel like so special. He's so sweet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my gifts. And had I known where we were going and what was happening, I definitely would have vlogged that day. But he was just like, it's a surprise. And I was just like, I don't know what he's up to. He actually took me on a surprise date too, not too long ago. Well, actually, the date wasn't a surprise, but the place, we planned the date, but he wouldn't tell me where we were going. And when I say it was the most elegant, romantic, beautiful, well thought out date, it was like literally everything. So, your boy been working over here. He's been, you know what I'm saying? Been working his little ass. But yeah. You have any final words?
Girl, my words is actions.
Yeah.
I got my final words around 9 p.m. tonight.
Oh my God, will you stop with all this?
Oh, my fault. It's kid friendly?
No.
Oh,
I mean, I don't make kid friendly content, although I do have children, that's the thing.
And your children gonna see they papa with they mama.
That's right. That's right.
So, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
They ain't said nothing. The Bible ain't tell me to.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, it's a bit much over here. So, you know, welcome. Yeah, welcome.
You are literally insane.
And if you need to know your chart, or if you have any ideas about your chart, your birth chart, and want to know yourself a little bit deeper, you go to CosmicThroneAstrology.com.
Oh my God, yes, hit up Cosmic Throne Astrology. He dives deep in those charts, guys. Like, and listen, ever since I've been wearing my ring, no lie though, I got a new business venture. Yes, another one. And literally made like $1,000 in like less than a week from this. I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. So I'm at 1,000 now, but it's gonna be way more by the end of the month. So like, y'all better wear y'all rings to activate y'all shit.
But y'all don't just wear Saturn just cause.
Don't just wear just cause, yeah.
Don't just buy Saturn or whatever.
It depends on your chart.
Yeah,
it's based off your chart.
And what you want to enhance.
Right.
Because even, for instance, Saturn rules her career and certain wealth houses. But for you, Venus may rule that spot, or Mercury may rule that spot. So you gotta know your own chart and what it means.
Yes.
Before you start doing random remedies.
Right. So we're at, like, I know a lot of you guys have still been asking for us to do like astrology videos on this channel. We are, okay? We are getting back to the groove of creating content, posting content more, and getting back out there after having the third baby. It's definitely an adjustment, but we've been creating like a lot of content here lately. So we will have astrology videos on this channel, and also on my podcast we're gonna do probably more in-depth astrology videos, since we'll just be sitting down, you know, at the microphone talking. So it'll be like a more in-depth conversation coming from like a beginner. Like I like to consider myself a beginner. I'm probably not a beginner, but I ask a lot of beginner friendly questions, because when he gets to going, I'm like, they're not gonna understand none of this. Like, you're gonna have to, so I'm going to facilitate the way that he even presents the astrology, so that like the beginner can understand it, because it is a lot of information. So I'm excited to do those videos as well. They'll be coming. And also, if you guys have any topics that you want to talk about on the podcast, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, because I kind of want to talk about what y'all want to talk about. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to talk about, like, I want to touch on subjects that are important to the viewers, right? So let's do it. Let's go. And also, he got an astrology channel coming. I don't know if your plans are to start a new channel, or by the time this video goes up, the link will be in the description box below.
Let's get it. Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's go.
Go right on in.
Y'all subscribe to the astrology channel, and also subscribe to the podcast channel. all of the content is literally just our content circulating the universe, okay? So if you rock with this channel, make sure you rock with all of them, because all of them are tied together. It's like a YouTube family, because that's what we are. We're like a YouTube family.
That's real.
Just branching off, doing different things.
Media family.
A media family, right? So go ahead and subscribe to those channels down in the description box below. And let us know what questions you have about astrology. Let us know what questions you have. Let us know what requests you have for the podcast. And also, if you want to see more of something on this channel, if I can get my words out, drop it down in the comments below. So do all that at one time, okay? Good luck. Guys, we are here at PetSmart. I don't know if y'all saw that, but we about to get our kitty cat. I'm so excited. Daddy, are we gonna actually get the kitty cat? I'm gonna leave it up to
Don't leave it to me.
I am gonna leave it up to you, because he always be trying to blame me for bringing new stuff in the house.
Oh, it's your fault this time. You set this up.
I did set it up, but
Yeah.
so this is
Him.
the first
Told
kitten.
him. It's a him, not a hit.
I'm sorry, I said no.
Hold it.
He's scared.
Oh my god. I can hold it. I just let him go. Just let him go.
Welcome to your new life, buddy. If we
Up.
what do you think about this one, Tevin?
It's pretty cool. I want to see the other one too.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep it, Mommy?
We'll see which one we're gonna choose.
Are we getting 2 cats today?
No, just one.
I want to get the. Can I just see the ones in the cage? Can I go see the ones in the cage?
No, we're picking one. Do you like this one, or do you like the first one?
But I just want to go look in the cage.
Do you like
can
this
come
one
over here
or
and
the
look
first
in the
one?
cage, but we're not going to get any more out, okay?
Okay.
Come on.
You still didn't answer my question.
This one and the black
that
and white,
is
and the black and white
Georgiana.
cat.
You're not getting 2 cats. You can forget it. He's trying to get 2 cats. We need one to start.
It's rest.
Relax.
Should we go now and bring the cat?
You ready to take the cat home?
Yes. A big cat. Huh? A big
I know.
I know you're going to want to get him and get him in your lap and hold him, but let him come to you.
Okay, I'm gonna be like going back. And I have to come to me, just come to me. Come to me. All day. All day she's gonna follow me every day. He's gonna follow me every day. Look at that. Right. Look at right. I said right.
Come on, Puss Puss. That's my boy. Very good.
So is this gonna be big enough for him when he gets like full
Yes,
size?
ma'am.
Okay.
And I like these because you can fold them up. They smush down, not like the hard ones. And they'll just sit in the closet.
Guys, so we picked out a cat that we liked, a kitten. We're gonna name him Naga, and I'll explain the name. I have a lot of Echinacea in my chart, and it's ruled by Naga. I think I'm saying that right. I'm gonna ask Tevin for clarification when he comes back, because once again, I'm still learning and I want to make sure I'm saying everything right. But he's actually in the store now. He went in Kohl's to see if they have any shoes. But here he is in this little case right here. Now, he is a boy, right? He is a boy. But somehow, we ended up with this case that looks pink. Well, this carrier that looks pink. When we were in the room, I said, that looks a little pink. And Tevin and the lady was like, no, it looks orange. And I'm just like, orange? I'm like, I don't know how y'all see orange, but okay. Tevin was like, well, it's like the African safari thing. And I was like, just get it, whatever. So So this is the carrier they sent us home with. But yeah, like we have a kitten and I'm so excited. I think he's so cute. Like he loves me a lot. I hope I'm his favorite. Hi Tin, say hello. He just be grunting, y'all. He just be like, he has what you call laryngomalacia, where it causes noisy breathing, but he doesn't have like a real bad case of it. Like some babies can't latch and can't eat because of it. Like he is totally normal, like in that regard. Like he doesn't have any trouble eating, as you can see how big he is. Yeah, he just has those little floppy airways that causes that grunting when he breathes. I ain't gonna lie, at first, when I first heard it when he was like little, I was like freaking out, like, oh my god, what is this? But he's perfectly fine, and he just like, I actually think the noises are cute because he's always like and then like if I don't, like if he's like, he has quiet moments and I'll be like, okay, cool, he's good. So I'm just used to hearing them now. Yeah, you look like your father. You look like your daddy. You your daddy's son. Hey, you your daddy's son. Hey, you your daddy's son. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Get it. Get it. Hey, get it. Whoop. Get it. Yeah, say I'm my daddy's son. And he got dimples too. All of my babies have dimples. Like, I don't know how all 3 of them came out with dimples, but that's pretty crazy. All 3 with the dimples. Hey, with the dimples. Hey. So probably tomorrow we're gonna go look for one of those cat towers so the cat can have somewhere to like scratch and climb. Bless you, you sneezed. And we're also gonna look for what else are we gonna look for? No, we have cat food. I think that's all. We're gonna go look for a cat tower. I think that's it. And we got a self-cleaning cat litter box, so we don't have to deal with like the poopers scooping stuff. I was like, yeah, it's a self-cleaning thing. Like I change it every 2 to 3 weeks, I think. So that's pretty cool. And I can leave it up, I think I can leave it up to 1 week. I don't know how it works. I have to see how it works, but yeah, so we're just pretty much waiting on Tevin to come out of the store, and I am really excited to get home because he doesn't know yet, but he has to put together my my little exercise machine. I can never remember the name, the Maxi Climber. He's gonna put that together for me. Hopefully he's still up to it because we have had a long day, but I think he'll be fine.
Mommy,
Yes.
do we get some fish too?
Yeah, we're gonna get a fish tank. The next things that we're gonna get are a fish tank. So yeah, my camera battery is about to die, so I'm going to see you guys when we get home. All right guys, so we are finally home and settled, and we got the kitten upstairs in the washroom for now. We put him in the litter box and he's literally just sitting in the litter box. Let's see. Let me turn the camera around. Come out. Are you gonna come out? Are you gonna come out? So he's just kind of chilling in here. He's awfully tired. So I'm probably just gonna let him stay in here for a while until he kind of gets acclimated. Yeah, got his little food bowl set up over here. And hopefully he'll come out soon. But yeah, I am so excited. He is the absolute cutest. And hopefully he warms up soon. I know he's like super nervous because he's in a new environment. But that was to be expected. Like bringing any new animal home, they're always going to be like a little, what's going on? You know, I have children, so he's probably like not used to hearing babies cry. And yeah, but listen, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog right here because we're just about to relax. Tevin is going to build my maxi climber tomorrow because it's late. So, excuse me. Coming down.
Tomorrow in the morning?
Yeah.
Just tomorrow's not in the morning.
But yeah, guys, we're going to, sorry. We're going to go ahead and end this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be vlogging more with our little kitten and doing more vlogs for you guys.
And yelling at children.
Yes, I'm about to wash my makeup off because my face is like super oily right now. So we're about to just relax. What you doing?
Pre-gaming for you.
Pre-gaming. Oh my god. Anyway, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my videos, why not subscribe to the channel? And as always,
world peace.
World peace.